Namaskar. Myself Deepak Shinkar, faculty in Visual Art, Pandit Lakshmichand State University of Performing and Visual Art, Rohtak. Firstly, I thanks Dr. Sushma ma'am who has organized FDP on visual communication in MD University, Rohtak. All session has excellent. I gain lot of knowledge from this FDP. Specially mention Parul Dave Mukherjee ma'am name, who gave a thoughtful expression on visual communication and visual culture, and she expressed how to see the image in visual art. So I especially thanks ma'am, and as well as other resource person given their thoughtful presentation, and we gain lot of knowledge from there. Thank you for beautiful FDP. We enjoy and learn lot of things. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sonia Gauri from KIT Group of Institution, Delhi NCR, Ghaziabad. I have been teaching communication for last 18 years, and when I read this topic in Atal FTP, visual communication, I joined this because I wanted to explore more about semiotic and so many others while I'm involved in visual communication. But when I joined it, when it started, I found every other day that there are so many things to be explored, be it photography, be it painting, music, literature, art, so many other things were there, and I got to know that it is a very broad term and there is a lot more to explore in comparison to what I was thinking earlier. So I especially thank the organizer of this activity for conducting this for us and broadening our outlook. Everyone whosoever was there for the FDP, be it Chitralekha ji, Samant ma'am, Rajesh sir, I'm not remembering all the names, but I especially thank Sushma ma'am for organizing this, and I hope in future we will be getting such kind of activities for updating our knowledge. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I Harshika would like to provide my feedback on the National Workshop on Liberal Arts conducted by Department of Visual Art, MDU Rohtak, sponsored by AICTE Atal. I would like to acknowledge Dr. Sushma Singh for her wonderful coordination throughout the workshop. It was very informative and interactive workshop. The first session on visual culture and studies broadened our knowledge. The next session was on Western history. It broadened our perspective on the Western artists and their paintings. The session on stress management through alap and illustration was very overwhelming. The next session on Haryana frescoes was equally interesting. I would like to thank all the faculties for this wonderful work.
Namaskar, this is Dipanjali Dayal. I am working as an assistant professor in Gapur PG College for Women, Rohtak. I am here to share my experience of the FTP program organized by the Department of Visual Arts, MDU Rohtak. The experience that I have gained from the FTP was really enduring, and there was so much to learn from. All the resource persons who had given their presentations, their field was a forte. Whatever they had to share, we had learned a great amount of knowledge from them. And the interesting part is that the program was the resource persons were not just restricted to a single discipline of study. We had presentations in the field of graphic art, in the field of graphic design, photography and illustrations or cartoons, and then there was calligraphy, and there was a lot of information that was shared on the Indian literature such as Meghdut, and there was history of art, and there was cultural aspects in the field of commercial arts and fine arts. And last but not the least, there was also a very beautiful presentation shared by a resource person which was in the field of music. So at last, I would like to say that it was a very beautiful experience for me. I will definitely look forward to experience more experiences as such. And it was a very well organized program. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Sonam. I have attended this FDP. This FDP was very interesting and knowledgeable because I have learned a lot by this FDP because मैंने बहुत सी FDP की हैं और बहुत कुछ सीखा है, बट ये डिफरेंट थी. मैंने इंजीनियरिंग की FDP की हैं और बहुत सीखा है, बट मैंने इस बार सोचा कि कुछ नया सीखते हैं FDP के थ्रू. तो विजुअल कम्युनिकेशन मैंने टॉपिक चूज़ किया. जब ज़्यादा पहले मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ पता नहीं था, बट जब मैंने इससे ज्वाइन किया, सर मैम ने पढ़ाया, तो उनके पढ़ाने का वे ऑफ टीचिंग इज वाज वेरी गुड. उन्होंने इसमें ख़ास बात ये थी कि उन्होंने पिक्चर्स के थ्रू हमें समझाया, जिससे कि हमें अपने कल्चर्स के बारे में, डिफरेंट कल्चर्स के बारे में पता चला. बहुत कुछ नॉलेज हुई और बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था इस FDP को करने में. और सभी टीचर्स जो थे, मैम और सर जो थे, बहुत अच्छे से कम्युनिकेट कर रहे थे. क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को भी दे रहे थे. ऐसा नहीं था कि केवल पढ़ा ही रहे थे. जो भी कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा था काफ़ी अच्छा था. और सभी को मैं थैंक यू सो मच बोलना चाहूँगी और आगे फ्यूचर में भी अपनी इस तरह से FDP करूँगी. और थैंक यू सो मच एंड थैंक यू सो मच कोऑर्डिनेटर्स मैम, सुषमा मैम ने भी बहुत अच्छे से कोऑर्डिनेट किया. एंड वंस अगेन थैंक यू सो मच.
Hello everyone, this is Mandakini and I'm working as an associate professor in the Department of Visual Arts, Graphic Era Hill University. So now I want to talk about the faculty development program which was organized by the MDU Rohtak in the collaboration of AICTE. So in this program we have learned different aspects of visual arts and its multiple dimensions, which was introduced by the distinguished guest speakers, and the development program was very well organized. So I also want to congratulate to all the organizers, and the selection of the expert was also very good. And in the sessions, like in the daily sessions, we have gone through all the practices related with the art. Theoretical sessions were there and practical sessions were also there. Like we learned the art of calligraphy, and there was a meditative session related with the art of music, and there was like the depiction of the discussion on mythological aspects of like God Shiva. And like in the theoretical sessions we have all the knowledge of feminism and all, and the visual perception and visual communication session was also there. So overall it was a very great learning experience. I have learned a lot after joining this faculty development program, and I am also very happy that I get the privilege to attend such kind of session. And after attending these sessions, I am very clear about certain doubts which I was having when I did not attend such kind of faculty development program. So that was very nice and I am happy. And in future I will be looking forward for such organization by the Maharishi Dayanand University Rohtak, MDU Rohtak, in the collaboration of AICTE, or not in the collaboration of like anything, but yeah, that was nice. So thank you so much for giving us this platform and this opportunity to nurture our talent, which was very essential for me. And during these sessions there was so many doubts like which were there in my mind. So I also got a chance to discuss the eminent speakers who were there all the time to solve my queries. So apart from this, I'm also very happy like the sessions were well organized, as I have discussed before. So that is it. It was a wonderful experience. Thank you so much, and thank you so much once again.
This is Dr. Mansi Kukreja. It was really a very good experience to attend FDP in the last week of September on visual communication, and it was a very great program arranged properly. All the presentation, all the guests were organized proper manner, and the learning objective that I have achieved from this object FDP is it had to understand the visual element of communication and how to transmit the information and ideas by using the symbols. It also helped us to communicate ideas graphically, and we are also acquainted with the ancient culture, the development of this system of art, the knowledge, how the architects have built the different images, picture, what idea, message they are conveying to us. And it also helped how the photography, animation, designing, and all these are important tools in today's era to be used to communicate our message to the public. And I am really thankful to this team that they have worked very hard to arrange this program. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Pardeep Lamba, pursuing PhD from Maharshi Dayanand University, Department of Visual Art. Recently I attended Atal AICT workshop in Visual Art, which was organized by Dr. Susma Singh, Dean of Visual Art Department. This workshop was very beneficial for us as we learned a lot from it. From this workshop, we got a lot of knowledge about Indian temples, Indian histories, Western histories, printing, calligraphy, and lot of. I am very thankful to all the professors who guide us so very well, and especially thankful to Susma ma'am who giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं प्रवीण कुमार, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ विजुअल आर्ट, महर्षि दयानंद यूनिवर्सिटी रोहतक में रिसोर्स पर्सन के तौर पर कार्यरत हूँ। मैंने 24 सितंबर 2020 से 28 सितंबर 2020 तक महर्षि दयानंद यूनिवर्सिटी में एक वर्कशॉप अटेंड की। ये वर्कशॉप हमारी डीन डॉक्टर सुषमा सिंह के द्वारा संचालित की गई थी। इस वर्कशॉप में अनेक प्रोफेसर्स ने अपने ज्ञान हमारे साथ साझा किया और ये वर्कशॉप मेरे पूरे भविष्य के लिए बहुत ही लाभदायक सिद्ध होगी। मैंने यहाँ पर बहुत कुछ सीखा और मेरी नॉलेज काफ़ी हद तक बढ़ी। थैंक यू।
Hello everyone, I am Needu. I am a research scholar from Department of Visual Arts, Maharshi Dayanand University, Rohtak. I am here to give my feedback on faculty development program on visual communication that I recently attended. First of all, I would like to thank MDU and Atal Academy for giving us this opportunity to sit and learn from the comfort of our homes in this time of pandemic. About this program, I would like to say that this program has definitely proved to be very, very beneficial for everyone who attended it, because we got to learn about so many different disciplines. We learned about calligraphy, we learned about illustration, fresco paintings of Haryana, Western art, Indian literature. We learned about stress management through music and art. All the teachers, they gave their best, and we were very fortunate to be a part of this group, and we definitely look forward for attending many more programs like this. Thank you so much.
Hello, this is Nitin Kumar from New Delhi, currently pursuing Master of Fine Art at MD Rohtak. I would like to share my thoughts and experiences regarding the recently organized FDP program 2020. First of all, I would like to thank Mrs. Susma Singh, who was the coordinator of the same program, and other teaching staff and resource persons. The program was started on 24th of September and ended at 29th of September this year. The program was well coordinated and well organized through online mode. Teaching staff shared their views and valuable information through various presentations and practical works on program itself. They showed their views regarding calligraphy, printmaking, photography, cartooning, visual communication, art and culture, and Western art, etc. This presentation was also consisting of stress management that was done through the music and performing art. It was quite remarkable and very beneficial for generations and youth of this country. I am very thankful because I was the part of this program, and I wish this program can be continued to next year and other years also. Thanks.
Good evening. This is Dr. Prachi, Assistant Professor, Kanti Darshan Mahavidyalaya, Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. I am very thankful to Sushma Singh ma'am to make me the part of this FDP. The participation in this FDP gave me an ample of knowledge about art and visual communication. Especially the work of Mrs. Parul Dev Mukherjee was appreciating, since I got lot of knowledge regarding the present era and the needs. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shiv Prakash Mishra, Assistant Professor in शाशिब कॉलेज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी भोपाल मध्य प्रदेश। एक्चुअली मैंने एफडीपी प्रोग्राम अटेंड किया जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियरी रहा, और मेरा एक सुझाव है कि सभी लोगों को एफडीपी प्रोग्राम अटेंड करना चाहिए, क्योंकि देखिए अभी सभी लोग वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं। सभी स्टाफ मेंबर जो हैं, मोस्टली स्टाफ मेंबर्स हैं, वो अपने घर से बैठे ही क्लासेस ले रहे हैं सभी कुछ। तो एफडीपी प्रोग्राम है क्या? एफडीपी प्रोग्राम फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम, ठीक है, जो कि बेसिकली एक ऑनलाइन चलता है, जो कि सबसे ज्यादा बेनिफिशियरी है अभी जो कंडीशन, जो अभी हालात चल रहे हैं उसके लिए, क्योंकि हम बैठे बैठे ये प्रोग्राम ले सकते हैं। इसमें जैसे कि मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा बेनिफिशियरी रहा, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, क्योंकि देखिए इसमें बहुत जो प्रोफेसर्स आए, उन्होंने जो किसी भी टॉपिक पे उन्होंने जब लेक्चर देना स्टार्ट किया तो वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेहतर रहा, क्योंकि हम एक टॉपिक पर हमारा एक परसेप्शन रहता है, हमारा एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रहता है। उन्होंने अलग अलग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू लेकर एक टॉपिक पर जो लेक्चर्स दिए वो हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल रहे, क्योंकि हम उस टॉपिक को दूसरे तरीके से भी देख सकते हैं, जो कि हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा नॉलेजेबल है। और एफडीपी का एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेनिफिट मेरे को ये भी लगा कि यदि मैं एक टेक्निकल फील्ड से हूं तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मैं टेक्निकल फील्ड में ही एफडीपी अटेंड करूंगा, मैं अदर किसी फील्ड में भी एफडीपी अटेंड कर सकता हूं और वहां से मैं नॉलेज ले सकता हूं। तो ये बहुत ही ज्यादा बेनिफिशियरी रहा। तो मेरे हिसाब से सबको एफडीपी अटेंड करना चाहिए, क्योंकि एफडीपी प्रोग्राम जो है फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम है, उससे हमें ये भी सीखने को मिलता है कि जब बड़े बड़े प्रोफेसर्स हैं जो पढ़ाने आते हैं तो किस तरह से अपनी बात को कहते हैं, उससे वो भी हमको एक तरीका मिलता है कि किस तरह से हमको बच्चों को पढ़ाना चाहिए। तो वो जो एक टेक्निक जो मिलती है पढ़ाने की, वो बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियरी होगी इन फ्यूचर इस फील्ड में, टीचिंग फील्ड में। तो आप सबको एफडीपी अटेंड करना चाहिए। एंड थैंक यू सो मच सुषमा मैम कि आपने एफडीपी कंडक्ट करवाया और हम लोगों ने एफडीपी अटेंड किया। बहुत ज़्यादा सीखने को मिला हमको यहाँ पर। थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू, थैंक्स टू प्रोफेसर्स जो आए, उन्होंने लेक्चर्स दिए, आप लोगों की वजह से हमें बहुत ज़्यादा नॉलेज मिला। थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू, थैंक यू सो मच।
Myself, Akansha Singh, MPhil scholar from Maharishi Dayanand University. I recently attended the FDP on visual communication. It was a great experience and I appreciate the efforts put in by every speaker as well as the organizing committee. The talks were very fruitful for me, both as a scholar as well as a visual art practitioner.
Good morning everyone. I am Ankush Khatri, student of Master of Fine Arts of Visual Art Department, MDU Rohtak. I would like to share something about online workshop organized by AICTE Atal through Visual Art Department, MDU Rohtak. This workshop held from 24 to 28 of September 2020. I had wonderful experience attending the AICTE workshop, which was given by the best artists and teachers including music, art, calligraphy, aesthetics, history and many more subjects. I would like to thank Shushma ma'am, who had been the amazing host during this online workshop. I would like to thank all the presenters who had shared their knowledge with us. Attending this online workshop helped me to get over some topics of art that were untouched. Like visual art is a very vast stream where each subject has a mystery and of course a history. So with the lectures of teachers like Ayub Khansard, who had expressed the aesthetics in such a way that his words got stored in my mind, and the knowledge of Sanjay sir of printmaking is remarkable. I would definitely try to learn the process of printmaking. In the same way, I also got the knowledge of calligraphy by Prakash Khande sir. Actually, I had never expected that the calligraphy class could be so much fun, but his talent and demonstration had bounded me throughout the session. Each and every artist or teacher had given their presentation in a unique way. Other than the lectures and demonstrations, we had also a session of stress management, which was given by Rajesh sir, who is an HOD of music department. He is at beautiful prayers and music that healed our stress, which we are facing during this pandemic at homes. So at last, I would like to thank Sushma ma'am again for managing this workshop in a very smooth way. Thank you and have a nice day.